Hello, and today I am going to be showing you how to do a DIY crayon lipstick. What you'll need is simple. You'll just need a pill organizer, a spoon or popsicle sticks, coconut oil and petroleum jelly or Vaseline, a mason jar, non-toxic crayons, and a pan halfway full of water. Stick the mason jar in the water and heat it on medium-low. You'll need about half a spoon of coconut oil. Add a little bit of the petroleum jelly and half a crayon. Now this is optional, but I like to add a little bit of chapstick in it for the smell. Keep stirring until it's fully melted. Another way to do it is in the microwave. It's faster this way. What you do is put all your ingredients into the jar and put it in the microwave for 30-second intervals. And you stir it in between those. And it'll take about like a minute and 30 seconds until you get it completely done. When it's fully melted, pour it into the container, then stick it in the fridge for 10 minutes. And then you're all done! If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching.